So today we will check out a commercial project at Andheri location. So the work of this project is happening at full swing, as you can see in the video, and this is 1 minute walkable distance from airport metro station. Let's see how it would look like after the possession is received. This is the daylight view elevation picture. Here's the explanation for the elevation. This would be the basement 2 floors, 9 floor of commercial offices. This would be Chhajja area at 6th floor, and that 9th floor would have the gym, clubhouse and the garden area. There would be 2 levels of basement here. Let me show you how it would look from inside. So this would be the entrance area with 20 feet of double heighted entrance lobby. Let's enter the lobby area. So this area is right now utilized by the sales team of the developer, but this would be converted into proper lobby, and this would be the registration area. Now let's check out the first floor of this project. We are walking upstairs. This would be the entrance area for the first floor. The entire floor is 6,000 square feet of carpet area with 10 offices on each floor. Look at the space. Let's turn on the left hand side. There is more 2 offices on the left hand side. Let's walk a little ahead. These would be the 3 high-speed elevators. Let's check out all the offices. We'll move towards the right hand side. On the right hand side you will see 1 staircase. Walking forward, on the right hand side you will see the first office, which is of 400 square feet of carpet. So that's the space for the second office. There would be our third office, fourth office space, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and on the left hand side 9th and 10th office space. Let us walk towards the space for the third office and check out the view. Just imagine having an office space here and walking inside the office. Check out this view from the third office corner. Isn't it amazing? So if you notice, we are on actually third floor of this particular building. So our first floor is the third floor of that building. Let's walk forward. That's a very huge space. So look at this space. That's the metro stop. Moving forward, on the left hand side, so that's the space for the 9th and the 10th office. This is the staircase number 2. That's the elevator area, and that's the staircase number 1. So now let me show you the view from the office number 8. So this would be another corner office, and that would give you the view of metro stop, the airport road metro stop. Amazing. So this would be a very fantastic place. Amazing commercial opportunity, very good ROI in case you are looking for an investment perspective. Imagine having an office in this particular commercial space. Now let's check out the basement area. So this is the basement area. So there would be the basement car elevator space number 1 and number 2 beside that, and this would be the car parking space. This is 2 floor of basement, ample of space for car parking. So let me show you another view from the first floor. This is the second office. This is approximately 568 carpet area. At least 15 to 18 members can easily work here. This is the outside view from the office number 2. Isn't this mesmerizing? Amazing and very beautiful. Just imagine having an office here. Possession for this project is January 2022. For more details, contact us.